Hey everyone, Zach here again with Wrecker Central. I know it's been a little bit since we've done a shop update, but we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to get you guys up to date with what we got going on in the shop. So I know that we've got like an install coming in later. There's the Denali that we're still doing a lot of work with, so we're excited, but let's go see what the guys are up to. Hey Tom.
Hey Zach.
Hey, what do you got going on today?
Well, we're getting ready to put the bed and the bumper back on Nick's truck.
Okay, cool. So
Almost done with it now.
almost done now. So there's the bed. We're gonna throw it on over there. Cool. All right, fun. We're gonna go check in with Rob. All right, Rob. What do you got going on today?
Oh, we'll just get another 5x7 and a set of tubes ready for a guy we got coming in today for another install.
What's he getting installed?
He's getting a Outlaw number 3 installed.
Okay. You know what kind of truck he's getting it on?
2020 Denali.
2020. Oh, okay. Cool. Fun. All right. Well, I'm gonna let you get back to work. Let you do all this stuff.
All right.
So yeah, so like I said, we got a lot of stuff going on, so we're gonna get these guys back in there working. They're pretty busy, so I'm gonna go work on a bunch of stuff. Keep your eyes peeled on the on the website. We've always got new stuff coming out. I'm gonna try to add some chain boxes on the website today, so hopefully by the time this video is posted, we'll have some chain boxes that you can add to your order. If you get a number 1 or 2 or 3, you can add chain boxes to it. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled on that. All right, guys, have a good day.